Hello, and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about converting Geomni's products back to the traditional sketch and Xactimate, what we're more familiar with. I have here a Roof Insights that was delivered by Geomni. This is their new code. It's nice and fancy. You can see here in 3D. It's incredibly detailed to the as-built measurements of the exterior and roof of the property. But this may be unfamiliar to some, and the Geomni image to scope allows you to automate a lot of the estimating process. Some people may prefer a more traditional approach. Now, I'm going to come back here. I'm in a Geomni tab. I'm going to come back here to the Tools tab, and you can see my roof here. And I'm going to go over and highlight the main roof. This is roof 1, and a very complex roof. It may be difficult to find the main roof, but it's critical to find the main roof. And I'm going to right-click, and you're going to see here I have Convert to Sketch Roofs, and I'm going to hit OK, and it generates for me, and I'll grab this and bring it over here, my more traditional sketch Xactimate, my more familiar roof sketch in Xactimate. And this may be something that you'd prefer to work with if you're doing a lot of manual tweaking and estimating and whatnot. The Geomni's products that they're delivering now, especially with the new VI and Image to Scopes tool, are incredible in helping the automated estimating process. But for the most part, some may prefer to work in this, so I wanted to shoot an exact hack on how to convert these back to the traditional sketch roofs. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.